Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to sign out of Etsy. So this should be a very simple tutorial, so make sure to watch it from now till the very end. Now, to get out of Etsy, there is two methods. The first one is first, of course, you have to sign into your account. So you need to be inside of one of your accounts, as you will see right now. And what you would need to do next is simply that. Go ahead into the top right corner, click on your account, and then sign out. And just like that, you have logged out of your account. Now, what are other methods that you can try to do? So we have this second method, so I'm going to click on sign in again, and I'm going to join my account once more. Then the second thing that I'm going to try is to go here, click on cookies inside data, manage on device side data, and then I'm going to remove these two things right here. Then click on reload, and as you will be seeing, I am now back into the home page. So these two methods are the ones that you will need to try in order for you to log out of your Etsy account. Now these methods can be applied for your PC as well. So for your mobile, I mean. So for those who have mobiles and try to log into Etsy through a browser and the mobile, this is something that you can try as well, and it should work 100%. Now, what about the application? Applications themselves on whatever Android or iPhone literally will find your account profile and simply click on the sign up button, and this should take you to the login page again. So yeah, these are the things that you could try, and also you could try for example, as for mobile, you can delete the cache in case you were in Gmail, and for those who were using like iPhone, you can reinstall the application, and this should log out and make you log out of your account. And yeah, that was it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.